Well done if you joined in our first leg workout. This time it's going to be the same movements, but we're adding pulses into the squats and a few jumps just for good measure. Let's do a pulse squat to start. Don't come all the way up, just 3 pulses. Fantastic. Add in a split squat and then back to the pulses in the middle. Well done. And the other side. And then back to the squats in the middle and add a jump as you come out of your last pulse. Amazing. Fantastic. And add a jump out of your split squat. That will really take them up a level. Back to the middle. Amazing. Jump up. Back to the split squat. Fantastic. Oh! Well, you probably want a little bit of a sit down after that, but try and join me and F&F in the final ad break for my ultimate leg combo to get your bottom half feeling top notch. Shop the new collection in store and online.